Okay, Safi, are you ready? You ready? We're gonna say hello to all the people on YouTube. Are you ready? Here's your bear. Okay, here we go.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Henry, and this is Safi. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
We're a family-owned physical therapy and wellness practice here in the Portland, Oregon area, specifically for mamas. And we're excited to be bringing you the same great service that we have for our clients here in Portland to you wherever you are currently in the world. Minus the miraculous hands-on work that we do locally, of course.
On our channel, you're gonna find core, safe, and prolapse friendly fitness, physical therapy, recipes, do-it-yourself apothecary, and all natural health solutions for preconception, pregnancy, postpartum recovery, and for the whole family.
So each week we are going to be bringing you brand new videos, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. And make sure you comment below just to say hello.
We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon, Taffy. We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.